Good afternoon and welcome. We're now going to take a look at the COVID-19 numbers, and this time, how did India fare as per other countries? We've prepared this very interesting graphic for you by our data intelligence unit, and this will show you our comparison with 5 other nations, including the United States of America, UK, Brazil, South Africa as well. And take a look at how the first phase that started at about March 2020, remember it's been over a year, and now to May 3rd week. And what remains very interesting is with the second wave, which is at 2021, there's been a huge change with regard to different countries. Let's begin with USA first. The first wave coming in March 2020 for both, but the second wave by then had reached high. Even for the UK, take a look at the peak that India now has happened in the UK in January 2021 and March, and there was a huge lockdown, remember, for many weeks. But eventually that lockdown has now been lifted, vaccinations are on, and perhaps UK is in a better position with regard to India, which is still witnessing a lot of deaths. Brazil, one of the countries that witnessed maximum deaths, including of children. It started in about September. Similar wave looking for India, at least in 2020 by September. But then when India thought it was receding, so was Brazil. India definitely shot up. Brazil currently in a situation, even though there were reports of people getting infected again, India in much worse position than Brazil. What about South Africa? First wave started in a similar fashion. They did see a slight peak in July, but by January 2021, they had managed to retain the second wave, but India shot up for the May, where we witnessed thousands of deaths across the country. So these are different countries, about 5. India, of course, at the worst right now, but it also helps us realize why did some of the countries managed to come down with their numbers, push up the vaccination drive, and that is perhaps India needs precisely that for now. Moving on now to a huge story here. This is from Mumbai, a housing society alleging that they were given possibly fake COVID shots, and not just to a few people, but in hundreds. This time, the Mumbai police has now detained 3 people who were allegedly carrying out fraudulent COVID-19 vaccination drives in the city. The detention has come specifically after India Today exposed the racket in the financial city. Police sources have now said an FIR will be lodged soon as well. But this after an upscale society also said that they felt that the COVID jabs were fake. Another vaccine scam is emerging at a production house in the financial city. 150 employees and their family members of the Matchbox production house were vaccinated. That happened on 29th May with the Covishield vaccine. But they're now alleging that none of them felt any post-vaccine symptom. While that can be, of course, debated, but they received their certificates after 2 weeks on 12th of June. Importantly, at the time of inoculation, they were told that it was Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital that will be conducting the drive. When they received their certificate 2 weeks on, the mention was about Nanavati Hospital administering the jabs. Shockingly, both the hospitals have denied conducting any vaccination drive. Getting us that big story is Saurabh Vakhtania. Saurabh, it is beyond shocking that in the times of pandemic, somebody would want to even address in a corruption case like this. But this is playing with the life of people. So what are the police and investigative agencies telling you? What are the people saying? Was it just 2 incidents? Could there be many more like that?
Well, Pooja, this is actually playing with the lives of the people, because you know, people have taken this vaccines and now they fear that was it a genuine or a fake vaccine. Now what they are going to do is, Pooja, they are going to wait for around 20 to 25 days, after which they are going to conduct an antibody test. Now if they find some antibodies in their body, then definitely they feel that yes, there was a vaccine. But if they have no antibodies, then their worries are just not over. They are saying that in that particular 20 to 25 days, their precious time will be lost, and they are not immune to the virus. So they are very much afraid. Now, some of them, they are very young students who wanted to go abroad. Now, this is not just with this particular society, Pooja, but right now what we are learning is that there are several production houses in Bollywood. This whole scam has penetrated into the Bollywood, and many such vaccination drives have been conducted by this particular gang at various places in the month of May and early June. So Mumbai police is claiming that over 5,000 such vaccines have been administered by this particular group in the name of several hospitals. Now, as we mentioned, Kokilaben Ambani Hospital and the Nanavati Hospital says that they have nothing to do with this vaccination drive. But let me tell you, the gang has used the name of different other private hospitals of Mumbai as well. All have now reached the Malad police station. The Malad police officials are telling us that various hospitals are themselves coming forward and they are saying that their name will also been used by this particular gang.
Okay.
So you should understand that how big is this particular scam. The Mumbai police have detained 3 people. They are questioning them. But right now,
and it will be crucial to find out. So whether these were vaccines at all, what were these jabs, where did they find out from? Because the hospitals are denying. So was it somebody associated with the healthcare fraternity who even initiated these scams and these vaccination drives? Big story by Saurabh Vakhtania there. We'll continue to track all the latest. Thank you very much for now, Saurabh.